Hi, we are Project Refugee, No Needs Left Behind. Our team members include Ajit, Akil, Bhumika, Elsie, Emily, Ruhi, Satvik, Sindhu, Vihan, and Vishnu.
Centered in the greater Charlotte area of North Carolina in the USA, we as a team focus to help refugees who escape troublesome conditions in their home country and continue to face obstacles here. Yet this year, we faced an even bigger challenge, the COVID-19 pandemic.
Our area of concern has also drastically changed from last year as we are an evolving project accommodating to the needs brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Though last year, we mainly focused on aiding refugees in the settlement process and resolving the negative stigma surrounding refugees in our society, this year our plans are geared to help refugees tackle the pandemic. We want to make resources more accessible to refugees so that they are better equipped to handle the pandemic. Many saw the importance of our cause and joined our efforts in aiding refugees, and our team grew from our initial 5 members to our current 10-member team.
The pandemic brought about many issues to refugee families, including but not limited to employment, physical and mental health, relocation, and access to technology and medical supplies. We knew that this needed to be addressed through our action plan.
Our initial projects include the summer tutoring focused on providing learning opportunities to young refugees during the pandemic. Working with VT Seva, our team offered 11 classes on topics such as chess and cooking. Another one of our initial projects include a bike donation where we donated 2 gently used bikes to the RSS in order to encourage physical exercise for refugee kids.
Working with Best Brain, 8th grade ahead and I-level, Project Refugee hosted 4 spelling bees for kids throughout NC, charging $10 as an entry fee in order to fundraise for our future projects. These spelling bees were a huge success as we had 73 participants overall and raised $730.
Word is fight. Fight.
Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight.
We won. Good job.
We partnered with the RSS to create first aid kits, including various medical supplies as well as the thermometers we bought using our funds. All team members worked to assemble 100 kits that were distributed to 100 families on the RSS's weekly distribution.
We worked with Belk to get 10 ThinkPad computers that were worth over $4,000 in total, which were then given to the CRA to go towards 10 refugees to be used to aid their virtual educational needs.
We have 2 major social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram where we have 65 and 148 followers respectively. Through social media, we hope to publicize our work, raise awareness, and also fundraise for our projects. Our other major form of outreach included WhatsApp, where we reached out to friends and family for donations and actually raised $1,055 through this process.
We want to continue helping refugees in our local communities in the future as well. We currently have some plans on what we might do. These ideas range from building a website about our accomplishments to collecting furniture for newly arriving refugees. It's imperative that we continue to foster the overall well-being of refugees in our community, not only today, but tomorrow as well.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you can help refugees as well in your communities.